What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors. They are actual litigants with a case pending in a California municipal court. Both parties have agreed to dismiss their court cases and have their dispute settled here in our forum, the People's Court.
Hello, I'm Doug Llewellyn, and welcome to the People's Court.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Rosilio. Your Honor, this is case 2673, Whitlock versus Waste Management. All parties have been sworn in.
Thank you, Janine. So I've read through both of your answers, and it looks like Mr. Whitlock, you're suing Waste Management today for $5,000 for lost wages and your medical bills.
Yes.
Walk me through what led us to this point.
Well, Your Honor, we have to get out and clean tracks and stuff after we get off, when we shut down. Well, that afternoon it was raining and muddy. I pulled up there, went to shut down, got out, and I opened the door up, grabbed a hold of the handrail and started out and slipped and fell from all the rain and the mud and hurt my back.
Now, what you just described to me, is that the proper way to exit a piece of equipment?
Yes, sir.
Moving over to the defendant, Waste Management. Do you all have safety trainings?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
Do you happen to have any evidence today that shows that Mr. Whitlock has been part of the safety trainings?
Yes, I have the sign-in sheet right here.
Bailiff, would you please hand me that sign-in sheet?
Your Honor.
Thank you. Well, Mr. Whitlock, it looks like there was a 3-point contact training on the 16th of February that I have your signature on, that you're signing saying you understand and will follow the proper 3 points of contact and the proper technique for exiting and entering a piece of equipment. Do you remember this document?
Yeah.
The answer would be yes.
Oh, yes.
You just described to me a few minutes ago, and it appeared that you walked out of the piece of equipment forward. Doesn't look to me like you used the proper technique.
Yes, I did. When I stepped out, I grabbed a hold of the handrail with both hands and stepped down and slipped and fell, Your Honor.
Okay, now listen. Just a minute ago, you're showing me you're using one hand, okay, and you're turning a little bit sideways. Now you're showing me two hands. Which is it? Did you use the proper
I used
technique,
both hands, Your
or
Honor.
did you not?
I used both hands.
I'm still talking. I have a specific question. Did you use 3 points of contact? Did you turn around? And did you cautiously get off the piece of equipment? Yes or no? It's that simple.
Yes, I did. And I want to be paid for this.
Well, we'll
I
see.
want to check today, Your Honor.
We'll see
I
about
wanna
that.
check
Whoa. Order. We'll see about that.
Okay.
Waste Management. How long has David been an employee with this company?
I check, Your Honor.
He has been an employee for 7 years.
For 7 years. Has he been a good employee?
Yes.
Has he had any other injuries up until this point?
Not that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
Based on the evidence in front of me, and based on your lack of evidence, I rule for the defendant. They don't owe you a penny for anything that goes on. You need to
That's
take
just wrong.
responsibility
That was-
for your own actions. Order.
That was-
Order. You need to take responsibility for your own actions. If you're not going to follow the rules, you're not going to follow the procedures, you're not going to be rewarded for such. My decision and judgment is for the defendant. Have a nice day.
All rise.
Plaintiff is heading out of the courtroom right now. Let's see what he has to say. How do you feel about the verdict?
I think I got cheated. They're lying, they're cheaters, is what they are.
Thank you. Head this way.
Hey, she was pretty hot. You think you can get her number for me?
I'll see what I can do. Here comes the defendant. Let's see what she has to say. How do you feel about the verdict today?
I think it was fair. It was clear he didn't follow the rules. He didn't use 3 points of contact. That's not our fault.
Great, thank you. Head this way.
Thank you.
Looks like justice was served today in safety court.